y'all. Zach Staten with Sweet Wind Gardens here this morning. And when I left y'all yesterday, I was cutting down a row of our pine trees. And today I'm going to take the smaller branches and any of the dead branches. I don't want to get anything too green or wet. And I'm going to chop them up in our wood chipper here. Our wood chipper will take up to a 4-inch diameter. So I've got one pine tree in particular right here that's 20 plus feet. So I'm going to see how this bad boy handles it. Should eat it right up, but let's give her a peek. Always wear eye protection. Do as I say, not as I do. Like a champ. And now, rather than buying gravel for all the walkways and inside my greenhouse, I can reuse what I've already got plenty of here, which is underbrush and small branches and free walkways, free driveways, free bedding for the animals. See you guys next time.